Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to our channels, Wall Families. We are delighted to present today comprehensive update feature Princess Cat Medallions, who has once again touched the heart of many with her inspiring message and evocative imagery. Recently, Cat, aged 43, who has emerged from the wood both literally and metaphorically after completing her cancer treatment, has taken to social media to share a message of hope, healing, and the importance of natural life beyond the challenge of diseases. In celebrations of World Cancer Day, which fall on February 4th, the Princess of Wales and Prince William official Instagram account as a platform to deliver an important message. These messages accompanied by a poignant photograph taken by none other than her youngest son Prince Lewis and by Kate herself, capturing moments that are deeply reflective of her personal journey and her renewed appreciation for nature. Before we dissolve into the details of these touching visual and the powerful message behind them, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement is vital to us. We continue to bring you the most detailed and heartfelt royal updates. Princess Cat Medallions has always been known for her grace, compassion, and the strength with which she navigates life challenge. Recently, as part of commemorations of World Cancer Day, Cat shared an important message that underscores the vital role of nature in healing and renewal. Her statement, written alongside this careful quoted image, reads, "Don't forget to nurture all that which lies beyond the diseases." See, this brief yet powerful message is a call to focus on life beyond illness, to cherish and nurture every aspect of existence that flourish in the wake of adversity. The sea at the end of her message is open to interpretations. It might stand for courage, care, commitments, or even continuity, each other resonating deeply with the transformative journey she has experienced during her battle with cancer. One of the standout images in this collection was taken by 6-year-old Princess Lewis. In these tender snapshots, the young photographer captured his mother standing proudly in the midst of a forest-covered woodland. The Skinner and Cripsey landscape with its sparkling forest and quietly beauty serve as a powerful backup drop for the image. Cat presence in the photograph emanating both frontal and vulnerabilities, escapabilities, her personal journey from hardship to healing. This visual narrative not only highlights her resilience but also symbols the hope and renewal that nature so effortlessly provides. In another evocative image, Princess Cat herself took a photograph of a frosty leaf in Windsor. This image, simply yet profoundly symbolic, came with a touching message and served as a metaphor for transformation. The delicate leaf, frozen yet vibrant in it, from represent the fragilities and beauty of life. reminded that even in moments of stillness, adversity, there is an infinite beauty waiting to be nurtured and cherished. These photographs is a quiet treatment to get relief in the restorative power of nature, illustrating how spending time outdoors has been essential for our emotional and physical recovery over the past years. The context behind this message and the occupying message is both personal and inspiration after receiving a cancer diagnosis and undergoing chemotherapy, a period marked by immense challenge and transform change. Princess Cat has taken the time to reconnect with nature or retreats into the woods is not just a physical journey but also a metaphorical one, symbolizing her return to a state of oneness and validity in nature with its timeless rhythm and inherent resilience has served as a healing sanctuary for the princess, offering solace and inspiration during her recovery for Cat. The past years has been one of introspection, recovery, and the act of sharing this photography along with her heartfelt message is a deep deliberate effort to remind everyone that life exists beyond the pain of diseases. It's an invitation to nature, not only our physical well-being but also our inner lives, our hopes, dreams, and the elements that bring beauty and meaning to our existence by highlighting the importance of nature in our healing process. Cat is encouraging people, everyone, to seek out of solace and strength that can be found in the natural world. This powerful message from Princess Cat is a part of broader cultural narrative that emphasizes resilience, real self-care, and the healing power of nature. World Cancer Day, observed on February 4th each year, is a global initiative that aims to raise awareness about cancer and encourage people to look beyond the diseases to see the strength and beauty that lies in life despite its challenge. By sharing her personal story and the visual representation of her journey, Cat is contributing to these global conversations, inspiring others to reflect on their own path to recovery and the renewal historical. The British royal family has played a significant role in championing cases that promote well-being and social progress, from supporting healthcare initiatives to advocating for environmental conservation. The royals have long been at the forefront of effort to create a more compassionate and resilient society. Princess Cat's post is a continuation of that legacy, reflecting her commitment to using her platform to drive positive change. It is also a reminder of the deeply personal nature of public service, how personal experience can shape and inspire broader society movement. Moreover, the choice to use nature as a symbol of healing is particularly progress in today's fast-paced, digitally dominated world. In an era where trade and anxiety and health challenge are increasingly prevalent, the simple act of spending time in nature efforts a counterbalance of a chance to reconnect with the earth, to breathe and to find peace amid chaos. Cat message is a call to action for people to nurture not just their physical health but also the environment around them, recognizing that our well-being is linked to health of our nature surrounding the way. Princess Cat has chosen to share this message, and this image has significant implications for how the public perceive the modern world families by opening up about her personal journey and the role that nature has played in our recovery. Cat has fostered a sense of empathy and connection.